What does 831 mean? Let's start by saying 831 means I love you. So if somebody has sent you 831, lucky you. But just be aware that it can mean some other things as well. And at the end of the video, I'll show you some other ways that you can say I love you using numbers. Let's start by looking at the 8. The 8 represents the number of letters in I love you. Next, let's look at the 3. The 3 represents the number of words in I love you. And that just leaves us the 1. The 1 tells us that it's just one meaning. That meaning being I love you. Okay, let's clear that. So just to summarize, 831 is 8 letters, 3 words, 1 meaning. I love you. Be aware that this can also be written 381, 3 words, 8 letters, 1 meaning. That also means I love you. So 831 and 381 are the same. 831 is also used to mean the 31st of August. That's because the 8 represents the 8th month and the 31 represents the date. So in the same way that 9/11 means the 11th of September, so 831 means the 31st of August. Now this date is important if you live in Malaysia because it's Independence Day there. And it's a big holiday. Here's a little snippet. At the start, I promised I was going to show you some other ways of saying I love you. Here is one, 459. Now, this one is quite hard to guess. It's the phone keyboard layout for ILY, which obviously stands for I love you. Now, we're talking about the old style phones. So, 459, that represents the letters I, L, and Y. 143 is another way of saying I love you. Now this has been used for over 100 years and it's just the number of letters in each word. So I is 1 letter, love has 4 letters and you has 3 letters. Here's a slightly more modern one. Less than 3. Well, less than 3 means I love you as well. It's an icon of a heart. It's an icon of a heart on its side. Let's put that back. Now, less than 3 has given rise to some other interesting ones, like less than 4. Now, this isn't an icon, but it means more than love because 4 is greater than 3. Then, of course, you have less than 2, and this is not love yet. Again, it's not an icon, it's just based on the icon less than 3. And then you have less than /3, and this is an icon of a broken heart. So this usually means hate. That is everything I want to say about 831 or 381 or 143 or less than 3 or 459. Thanks for watching.